All right, guys, so for activity 1, it's called choosing the right seat. And here's what it says. Students are preparing for an end-of-the-year party. They have tables where 6 people can sit and tables where 8 people can sit, but they can only choose one type of table. So question number 1 says, Jada's class has 18 students. Which tables would you choose for Jada's class? Show or explain your reasoning. So in other words, would you choose the 6 people table or the 8 people table? Okay, now remember, you don't want a bunch of extra tables. Think about it in a classroom. If you had a bunch of extra tables during a party, would that be fun? Or would you be able to move around? In addition, you don't want not enough tables. You want people to be able to have a place to sit. So you need to choose which group of tables that you would choose, and you need to be able to explain why, okay? And then for number 2, you're going to do the same thing. So Noah's class has 30 students. Which tables would you choose for Noah's class? Show or explain your reasoning. So would you choose the 6 people table or the 8 people table? And then you need to make sure you're able to explain why, okay? Then on the next slide, question 3 says, which tables would you choose for Noah and Jada's classes together? So think about how many total kids there are, and then be able to tell which tables you would choose. And then it says, can you find more than one option? So show or explain your reasoning. So after you tell which tables you would choose, is there more than one way to do it? Okay, is there more than one way to seat people? And then the last question, if you also want places for Noah's teacher and Jada's teacher to sit, which tables would you choose? So on that one, you need to think about how many kids are in Jada's class, how many kids are in Noah's class, and then add Noah and Jada's teachers in there and see how many people that would be. And then choose a seating arrangement. Like, would you choose the 6 seat or the 8 seat? And you need to be able to explain why.